there, guess what? We're back at it again with another video. We've ranked the 10 absolute best ways to make money using Canva in 2024 and 2025. These are tested and proven profit methods. Be sure to stay tuned at the end of this video for an amazing limited offer, or click on the link below for more information. We'll show you a truly amazing way you can launch a profitable turnkey business opportunity using Canva. If you're looking to boost your income, you're in the right place. So, let's jump right in. First up, affiliate marketing. We've created quiz videos using Canvas templates and promoted our affiliate links. It's a fun way to engage viewers while earning commissions. Trust us, you need to try this out. Next, let's talk about digital products. We've designed customizable templates like planners and workbooks and sold them on Etsy. These are the samples. The feedback has been amazing. If you haven't tried selling printable wall art or quote posters yet, you're missing out. Now, onto custom products. Using Canva, we designed unique clothing, mugs, and other merchandise through print-on-demand services like Printify. Take a look at the amazing designs we were able to create. As you can see here, we've created this in our account. We were able to use Canva to create these designs quickly and with little effort. Look how great this is. It's customized with our own logo. We've created sweatshirts, jackets, t-shirts, mugs. We even designed this great cell phone case with a few mouse clicks. Look how great it came out. It's so easy, and you can offer these custom design services on sites like Etsy and eBay for big profits. You should definitely give this a shot. Have you thought about lead generation? We created lead magnets using Canva, offering free resources in exchange for email signups. Here are samples of what we have made. It's a fantastic way to grow our audience. We highly recommend you try it. Next, we offer custom design packages and brand identity kits on platforms like Fiverr. These are the samples of custom design packages and brand identity kits, and you can all create this in Canva. This has been a game changer for us. Offer your Canva design skills to the masses for quick and easy ongoing profits. And wait, that's not the end yet. Let's not forget video content creation. We made super engaging video content for TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube using Canva design tools and AI voiceovers. Here are some of the videos we have posted and started earning from. It's a creative way to monetize your content, and you should definitely explore this option. We also recommend conducting market research to find popular template styles on Etsy. We've done this, and it's helped us create unique, compliant templates that sell. You'll want to jump on this trend. Just take a look at these amazing templates. Promotion is key. We've optimized our Etsy listings with mockups and SEO strategies, just like this. And I promise you guys it's made a huge difference in our visibility. If you want to maximize your sales, you must try these techniques. Passive income is the dream, right? We've created digital trackers and instant download products, generating income while we sleep. You should definitely consider adding this to your strategy. Finally, if you're passionate about Canva, why not teach? We've hosted workshops and created online courses, and it's been incredibly rewarding. If you have knowledge to share, this is a perfect way to monetize it. So there you have it, 10 proven ways we've tested to make money with Canva. We encourage you to try out these recommendations and start your journey to huge profits today. If you're truly interested in earning an amazing side income using Canva, I'll show you a foolproof turnkey business opportunity where you can resell Canva licenses for big bucks, and how you can build a subscriber list literally overnight with my proven flip and earn method. Learn how I leverage AI to create stunning video content to promote my Canva Pro licenses and training programs on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. Click the link in the description for more information. This is a limited offer, so act now, before time runs out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and tricks. Let us know in the comments which method you're excited to try.